Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins. I want to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law, the rules of Georgia workers' compensation, and the benefits that they should receive under that law. Today I want to talk to you about medical treatment in workers' compensation cases. And specifically, I want to talk about one type of medical treatment that often may be needed in cases of serious injuries that include amputations. Now, if you suffer an amputation injury at work, which might often occur to your legs or to your arms, people have fingers and hands amputated or feet amputated, or sometimes portions or all of their legs amputated in some situations of serious injuries. Now, when those injuries occur, your doctor that's treating your workers' compensation case may recommend a prosthetic as treatment for your injury. And the question I want to talk about today is whether Georgia workers' compensation law covers prosthetics that are prescribed by your treating doctor. Well, the answer is yes, it does. Georgia workers' compensation law basically covers reasonable and necessary medical treatment prescribed by your workers' compensation treating doctor that will either effect a cure, give relief, or restore you to suitable employment. Prosthetics help do all three of those things. So if your doctor recommends a prosthetic, then it should be covered by the workers' compensation insurance company. Now, sometimes insurance companies may fight as prosthetics get more advanced and more expensive and may argue that you don't need the prosthetic that your doctor recommends. And that's something that you should certainly fight with them about. Basically, when you suffer an injury at work, you should be able to recover as closely as possible to how you were before you got injured. So if you can receive treatment from a prosthetic that will bring you as close as possible to the limb that you had before, that's something that you should fight about. And one other thing to be aware of in cases where your doctor is recommending treatment with a prosthetic is that amputation injuries often qualify for a catastrophic designation, Georgia workers' compensation case. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail here today because I've discussed that catastrophic designation in other videos and articles, but one important thing to understand is catastrophic designation does provide you several benefits that are not available in a regular workers' compensation case. So if you've suffered an amputation injury and your case has not been designated catastrophic, you definitely want to look into that and whether it should be. I hope you found this information about whether Georgia workers' compensation law covers prosthetics helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you want more information about Georgia workers' compensation law, I'd encourage you to visit our Perkins Studdard workers' compensation channel on YouTube, where you can view all the videos from the Georgia workers' compensation video series, and you can subscribe to our channel as well. And also to visit our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. You can read a number of articles about Georgia workers' compensation law there. And if you have some questions about your workers' compensation case, don't hesitate to ask those. The best way you can do that is by reaching out through our website, the free consultation request form, and setting up a consultation with me, or by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen. I want to thank you again for watching today. I'd like to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.